Now, this value potential that we see by deploying AI as a tool is already opening doors, which I will call dramatically the new healthcare team: a doctor, a patient, and a machine. It sounds strange, a doctor, a patient, and a machine. You see already that companies are jumping from watching on the sideline what was happening, they're jumping into the fray, investing in AI. Patients also are already exposed to technology as a part of their healthcare. And they will expect that the benefits that they see will be incorporated in what we will deliver as a total package to them. Accenture, when interviewing US customers, reports that 75% of the consumers already expect that technology will be a part of whatever their healthcare package is going to be. And 90%, so almost 1 in 5 of these US consumers already are exposed to healthcare services which are driven by AI, like a virtual visit or a diagnostic which is done at home. Although we do not know the output yet, the outcome of all of this, because that was not in the question. The question was, are you using it? 50% of those consumers who were interviewed already are saying that they will in the future use virtual clinics, virtual doctors, virtual nurses, home-based diagnostics, because those will actually save time, and they also understand that the way that information can be digested will be unprecedented. So they'll expect us as companies to actually come with products and solutions which are using these kinds of technologies. When I look already in the ecosystem, I see already a few examples of how AI could actually create patient value. You see a few here. IBM researchers are using, are analyzing speech to actually predict whether somebody can develop psychosis. Google has developed an AI algorithm which is using a retina scan to find out the possibility of the patient, of the person getting a heart disease, and they can predict already with 70% accuracy. UCB a while back invested in an AI technology which is now being piloted at the VA, and we are trying to actually help doctors predict which drugs they should prescribe for a certain profile of patient with a certain symptomology, a certain lifestyle, a certain preference. Yes, many people ask us, but wait a second here, it may predict to use a drug which is not your drug. Yes, that is true. But imagine the value it will create for a doctor where you can reduce the experimenting that many doctors do because they don't know exactly which of the drugs which are possible to prescribe to a patient to really give it. And imagine if we would have a tool which could, with better predictability, tell the doctor there is a higher possibility for an effect with less side effects if you were to prescribe this drug based on the symptoms, preference, lifestyle of this patient. As I said, it's being piloted today with the VA. You know, the VA is one of the largest entities in the US working already on what I call remote visits, virtual doctors. So it fits perfectly well in their plan of how do they see healthcare in the future.